In this video we will learn how to ask the question, where do you come from? And how to answer this question. There are two ways to ask the question. We can ask in the formal way and we can ask in the informal way. Okay? So let me show you. So this is the informal way. Yeah, we can see du, and du is the informal you, and this is the reason why this question is informal. And let me show you the formal question. The formal question looks very similar, but we have sie, and sie is the formal you, and this is why this question is formal. Okay, but let's first start with the informal question and discuss how this question works. So first we need to know, when do we use the informal question? We use that when we talk with children. We use that when we talk with family, with our family. And we use that when we talk with friends. Yeah? So what does woher kommst du literally means? What does woher means? What does this mean? And what does this mean? Okay. So wo means where. Her means from. So woher means where from, because it's where do you come from. And kommst means to come. And you, we already have learned it. This means you. Du means you. And here it is the informal you. Okay? And then let's do the same thing with the formal question. The formal question is this. And we have sie here instead of du. And this is the reason why this is formal. So this is formal. And we use that when we talk with elder people. And when we talk with someone we don't know. Yeah? So when we talk with someone we don't know, and when we talk with elder people, then we use the formal question. And here, the same again. Woher means, okay, let's steal that. Woher means where from. And kommen means, I have one more. Woher, kommen means to come. And sie means you. But it is the formal you. Okay? And now let's check how we can answer to this question. Yeah, let's move everything to the side. Okay, and then this is the answer. Ich komme aus. And then where you come from. So you can, for example, say, Ich komme aus China. And this means I come from China. Yeah? I come from China. Okay, I come from China. And we can also say I come from Ich komme aus Deutschland. And this means I come from Germany. This is Germany. Ich komme aus Deutschland. Okay. Next one is England. And in German we say England. So you can say Ich komme aus England. Okay, next one. Ich komme aus Amerika. America. Ich komme aus Amerika. Okay. So these were countries, but you can also say the same sentence with cities. So if you, for example, come from Peking, then you can say Ich komme aus Peking. And if you come from Cologne, then in German it's Köln. And this is the place where I come from. So I can say, ich komme aus Köln. Yeah. And you can also say, if you come from Shanghai, then you can say, ich komme aus Shanghai. So you can do that with any country or with any city. Yeah. Okay. This was what we have learned in this video. And I want to show you one more thing. Let's first review what we have learned in this lesson. We have learned the informal question, where do you come from? And this is, woher kommst du? Then we have learned the formal question. It is very similar. Woher kommen Sie? And we have learned the answer. And the answer is, ich komme aus. And then your city or country. And what I want to show you now is that we can see we have 3 times the same verb, but there is a small difference. We have here st, we have here en as the ending, and we have here an e. So how does this work? Actually, I want to discuss this in another video, but I want to introduce that shortly. So here we use du. Du is the informal you, and when we use du, we use st. So this belongs together. And here it is the same. We use sie, and here en. This belongs together. Yeah. When we use sie, then the verb has en. And here we use ich. So we use e in the end. So this belongs together. Okay, now you also understand this, but we will discuss it more in detail in another video. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video.